Nobody sees clean glass. So the saying goes. Don't buy crappy windshield wipers. Like tires, like garden hose. Buy quality, because otherwise you're just going to be frustrated. That way you're going to have clear visibility when you're driving in rain, when you're driving in the winter time when there's a lot of spray and crap and junk coming off the roadway. You're going to have good visibility and you're going to be able to drive safer. And they're not going to let you down. They're not going to fall off the car, and you're going to have to stop at a fuel station and pay an exorbitant price for cheap windshield wipers. And the windshield wipers that I'm going to recommend today are TricoForce. Look down in the description if you want to check out more information about the TricoForce windshield wipers and picking those up for your vehicle. I bought a competitor's windshield wiper and put it on the vehicle, and the one on the passenger side was, the plastic was broken, so I took it back down and replaced it, but I never put it on. And then we went for a trip down to Harrison Hot Springs, which is about 3.5 hours away, and it rained a lot. And the new one that I had on the driver's side only wiped on the way down. It didn't wipe on the way up. So know that about windshield wipers. They got to wipe up and wipe when they're going down. So I came back, didn't really think too much of it, and had a friend who had a truck and it needed new wipers. So I went back and to the auto parts shop here in town that I deal with. They said, "Oh, do you want these windshield wipers?" I said, "No, I want better quality than that." So they gave me these TricoForce windshield wipers. They're a little bit more expensive, but the quality is phenomenal. I put these on the buggy and it's been melting here, the snow. We've had lots of sand and crap on the roads. Drove down to Kelowna the other day and they work exceptionally well on the highway and in town. The wipers are easy to install. Trico has an excellent website to find the exact wipers you need for your specific vehicle. As well, they have great installation videos. And most auto parts store will help you out to get your new windshield wipers installed on your vehicle, or find somebody handy. Question for my smart drivers. What brand of wipers do you recommend for smart drivers? Leave a comment down in the comment section there. All of that helps us out. For scanning and proper observation playlist, click here. To subscribe, click here. And remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now.